Apple Vision Pro is a mixed reality headset that was announced in June 2023 and released in February 2024. It's Apple's first major new product category since the Apple Watch in 2015. Here are some of the key features of the Apple Vision Pro. Dual-chip design. The Apple Vision Pro features a unique dual-chip design that enables the spatial experiences. The powerful M2 chip simultaneously runs Vision OS, executes advanced computer vision algorithms, and delivers stunning graphics, all with incredible efficiency. The R1 chip is specifically dedicated to process input from the cameras, sensors, and microphones, streaming images to the displays within 12 milliseconds. Image of Apple Vision Pro. Opens in a new window. Apple Vision Pro high-resolution displays. The Apple Vision Pro features two micro OLED displays, one for each eye, with a resolution of 3660 x 3200 pixels per eye. This provides a total of 23 megapixels of resolution, which is significantly higher than any other VR headset on the market. Eye tracking. The Apple Vision Pro features eye tracking technology that allows users to control the headset with their eyes. This means that you can select items, scroll through menus, and even type by simply looking at what you want to interact with. Hand tracking. The Apple Vision Pro also supports hand tracking, which allows users to interact with the headset using their hands. This can be used for things like gaming, manipulating objects in 3D space, and even typing. Spatial audio. The Apple Vision Pro features spatial audio technology that creates a more immersive audio experience. With spatial audio, it sounds like the sound is coming from all around you rather than just from the headphones. The Apple Vision Pro is a powerful and versatile mixed reality headset that offers a wide range of features. However, it is also a very expensive headset costing $3,000 USD. Here are some additional details about the Apple Vision Pro. Battery life. Up to 2 hours of general use, 2.5 hours of video watching. Display refresh rate 90 FPS, with automatic adjustment to 96 or 100 FPS audio. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. 6 mic array with directional beamforming sensors. 5 sensors, 6 microphones, and 12 cameras. Overall, the Apple Vision Pro is a high-end mixed reality headset that offers a lot of features for users who are willing to pay the price. If you're looking for the best possible VR experience, then the Apple Vision Pro is a great option. There currently isn't any known product called Apple Vision Pro. Apple does have vision-related technologies, but they're usually part of existing products like iPhones or iPads. What do you think about Apple Vision Pro? Let us know in the comments. For more tech reviews and discussions, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for future updates. Sometimes companies use hidden or secret features in marketing to create intrigue. These features often aren't truly hidden but might be lesser-known functionalities. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's embark on this journey together as we unlock the endless possibilities of mobile phone technology. See you in the next video.